Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to create an organization chart in MS Word. So guys, if you want to create an organization chart in MS Word, so very easy. Firstly click on insert. After click on smart art and click on this option. After select it as you like, after click on OK. If you want to add, so very easy. Firstly selected, after click on enter. That is. If you want to add, so selected, after click on enter. This small size, click on firstly arrow to select, after click on enter as your requirement. If you want to close, so click on backspace. If you want to close, so firstly select, after click on backspace. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to create an organization chart in MS Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.